Wix Screen Size tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up the screen or adjust the screen size into your Wix website. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going basically here to see the site's dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to choose a website that we have. I'm going to click on edit and select and edit the website just like that. Now what we're going to do is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to be either on the setup or the home, as you can see, page, and we are going to click on design site or edit site. It is going to be variable dependent on the version of your Wix website. So we are going to click on it and then we're going to wait for the Wix website to load all the elements that are necessary for the editor. So now we are on our website. What are we going to do? Basically, let me explain before I do something, the operation or the procedure for you. What we're going to do is going to be adjusting the screen or the website until we are going to get the best performing size for our website. Why? Because depending on the device that it is going to be entering the website, the screen may be a little bit too big or maybe a little bit too, let's say, little. So we are going to start here by heading over the website of Wix. So as you can see, we have some lines. These lines are going to be to define, let's say, the width and also the length of the website. Now, let's talk about the header. As you can see, we have this vertical line, which is going to be limiting not the content, but a little bit a part of the screen. That means that this line and this line, these are the vertical lines, are going to limit up the vision of the website. For the, let's say, laptop versions or the view from the laptop, it is going to be perfect. But if we are going to convert it to maybe a mobile screen, I'm going to switch for the mobile phone, it is going to be something like that. That means that the logo has set up everything and we cannot basically see any or all the elements that are available here. So this is what is the adjustment of the thing set. So what are we going to do here is going to be modifying or put a quick edit to the dashboard. So I'm going to make the dashboard a little bit smaller. Not the dashboard, but the navigation. And for the, as you can see here, the logo or the text here, I'm going to make it to this place. I can go ahead and click on edit text and put it as a heading, for example, 2. This is a heading 1, 2. I don't know why it is going to have here this big. So it doesn't matter. We are going to reduce the font size to 30 or 35, like that. And it is going to be like that. I'm going to put it as bold. And here you go. So I have distinguished this logo. As you can see, the card is going to be, let's say, put here and like that. Now, what are we going to do now is going to be very simple. I'm going to save. And then we're going to switch up to the mobile version and see if anything has changed. We're going to switch to it. The logo is a little bit smaller, which is good. The cart is going to be something like that. It is not in the, let's say here, the correct range. We can go ahead and regulate it from here. We can go ahead and put a limit for this. And this is much better. Now, as you can see, this text here is not related to each other. So here, I'm going to put all of these elements. I'm going to start by clicking on the text, the star, and this one. And we are going to select the also the vector art. I'm going to group these elements. So instead of having it right here, or we can go ahead and let it as it is, I'm going to click on save. We're going to switch to the mobile version, and we're going to see that normally it is going to stay. This is it. It is going to be perfect. Now, I'm going to switch up to the mobile version or the desktop version again. Let's make maybe the picture a little bit smaller. And I'm going to delete all of the unnecessary things here. So I have made this like that. I'm going to put the title here. Now I'm going to also connect these two elements together, the container box and the text. I want please to have this together. This line with this, I'm going to group this, also that, and that line. Group elements so we can move them together like that. So the text is going to be this one. I'm going to connect it to the text. So I'm going to have it like that. I have made some simple adjustments. Let's see here the result. The text and also this is going to be a little bit big. So if we want to modify them, we need to ungroup the elements. So as you can see, this is much better. We have here something that we haven't in there. So we have connected all the elements here. We have a button, we have some sections, and everything is going to be all right. So for this, as you can see here, we are going to name it as footer. This part is going to be the footer. I'm going to put it like this. So let's see. I'm going to be back here. I'm going to have these elements, let's say here. So we are going to make this as it is. I have made this section a little bit, as you can see, for the space, and it is going to be good. Save it. We're going to head over the desktop mode, and we're going to see that it is going to be okay here. Everything is cool. This section, we do not need it anymore. This is our website. It is going to be very sufficient. I'm going to have this like that. So we are going to switch to the mobile version and we are going to see the result. Perfect, absolutely perfect. And if I want to put this here, that product right here, it is going to be a blast, or we can go ahead and make it a little bit like that. So I'm going to put it here. So this is how we can put everything in order for the website as this. Boom. So like that. And so like this. This is perfect. So this is the sizing of the screen. So we have the best version of the mobile phone here. As you can see, everything is exploitable. And we have also the best desktop one, as it is going to be here. So we can go ahead and have this section like that. You can add some of the text right here, and everything is going to be cool. So you can also use rulers. You can see that you can use vertical and also horizontal rulers to have a, let's say, a horizontal line or a vertical line like that, and you do not need to exceed them. So you are going to have a millimetric website. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. and I hope to see you soon on the next one.